Good morning! Today is actually a really special day. It happens to be Father's Day and it's also Ben and my 12-year wedding anniversary. So I just thought it'd be kind of fun to bring you guys along with what's going on today for us, day in my life. I did want to say thank you so much to Fabletics. They are my sponsor for today's video. I'll get a little bit more into sharing some of the outfits I'll be wearing a little bit later, especially when I'm going to be working out because I am doing the Chloe Ting 2-week shred right now, so you'll get to see me getting my butt kicked. It's certainly been a minute since my last vlog, so let's go ahead and go. Today, let's do it. I'm not sure if you guys have been following along with our whole journey, but we are currently trying to renovate our house. So we're staying in an Airbnb, and obviously we just don't quite have all of the right spaces and places to put a lot of our things. A lot of my skincare and makeup is just piled in a corner over here. I know it's temporary, but it is a little bit stressful to just live in a in-between situation every day, but we're just trying to make the best of it. I do feel very grateful to have a roof over our heads, beds to sleep in, and the kids are healthy and happy, so they don't know any different. But yeah, forgive me for the mess. It is what it is. Gotta get through it. I'm gonna just do a little bit of my skincare. In the mornings, my routine is actually super simple. I am not even going to wash my face. I'm just gonna splash some water. I usually like to wash my hands with soap first, just to make everything really clean. Just getting all the crusties out of my eyes, and then I'm going straight into my skincare. I'm retaining the natural oils in my skin because I'm not like washing it away, but my current vitamin C serum of choice is the IS Clinical Pro Heal serum, and I think it's kind of nice if you tend to have drier skin. It's a little bit more of an oil-based formula. I've seen a lot of like beauty guru type people take, you know, their actives and they'll put it against their skin and squeeze it on their face. I actually really think that that's not a great method to use because I don't personally like contaminating the inside of any of my bottles. So I think it's much better to take the dropper, pour it into your hand, and then from your hand, putting that on your face. Okay, so after my vitamin C, I'm just going to moisturize. So currently I'm using the Clinique Moisture Surge 72-hour hydrator. Basically my last step almost every single morning is sunscreen. Rain or shine, this is what I do every single day. I've talked about this sunscreen before. It's a European brand, but it's really milky, doesn't break me out, and it's a mineral sunscreen, which I really prefer using. And this particular brand doesn't leave me feeling like greasy or smelling off or anything like that. Maybe I'll change real quick and do like super fast makeup, and then we can go. Wow, my hair looks super cool. This is what I'm wearing. I'm just having like a big comfy gray pair of sweatpants, and then I know I'm gonna be working out later, so I have on this tiger print sports bra, and I really love this little workout stretchy kind of tank that I just threw over it. Number one, I like the kind of cropped silhouette because I like wearing my sweatpants high-waisted style, but I also like this little crisscross detail in the back. I'm not really one to like not wear a bra and just have it open, but if I have on a cute sports bra, I think it looks really cute. So anyway, that is my casual morning outfit. I'm gonna do like the fastest makeup. I have not been using a ton of foundation and stuff, especially because I do know I'm going to be like sweating and working out later. So I'm just gonna use a tiny bit of concealer just to give myself some warmth. I'm gonna be using some of my Pixie from Head to Toe collab glowy powder on days where I just want a little life to my face and a little bit of color, but I don't want it to just be like I have a full face of makeup. I love using this pink one. This color is Wednesdays because on Wednesdays we wear pink. This particular shade you can actually pick up at Target right now, so if you want to find it, it's pretty easy to find. I'm going sort of on the top parts of my cheeks so I get a little bit of that shine when it hits the light and a little bit of blush color. It's a good little like all-in-one cheek product. I'm just gonna do something really quick with my eyes. Then I'm just using the darkest color on my lower lashes as an eyeliner. Should we just try using this as the upper eyeliner too? Okay, brows. You know what? It's my anniversary. I'm just gonna do some lashes anyway. I'm just doing this close to my lash line to be able to hide the transition from my real lashes and the false lashes. Okay, Let's go make Ben some breakfast. Pepper, salt, garlic pepper. I'm gonna mix it into the bowl.
Wow, it's Sister Shark.
Hi, Aria.
I'm Sister Shark.
Your sister shark?
Yeah. I'm a Sister Shark, so I'm married to him.
Here's our extremely realistic breakfast. Scrambled eggs, salsa on top for some extra veggies and flavor, and an orange. Happy Father's Day.
Thank you, Jenny.
It's a very, very simple meal. Just try our best, you know?
That's all I need. It's very good. Very delicious.
All right, so Ben just took the kids and went to go pick up some lunch. So this gives me a little bit of window of time where I'm going to be trying to do my Chloe Ting 2-week shred workout for the day. It's super hard to do these kinds of workouts with 2 kids running all around because usually they try to climb on me and I really can't keep up the pace or like stay consistent, and sometimes they'll start crying if I don't pay attention. So I'm gonna try to squeeze it in really fast. I did want to show you what I changed into. These pieces are by Fabletics. I'm actually probably going to take off this tank top I was wearing earlier just because as I get into the workouts I kind of sweat a little bit more and I want to be able to put this back on afterwards. So I'll just be rocking my same sports bra as before, and then I have, sorry about the dirty window, it's all the kids and their fingers, but I have high-waisted Powerhold leggings. I also really like this little feature. There's like a hidden pocket inside here, which I've definitely used, especially when we have to run out of the house really quick and I want to just grab like my phone and stick it in here or put like house keys. If you're short like me, definitely recommend getting the 7/8 length. 7/8 length fits like regular leggings on me because I'm only 4'11", I'm really short. So really like that. I don't know if I've mentioned this before, but I'm kind of on this one woman revolution of trying to normalize panty lines. I wear panties and a lot of the panties I like wearing are cotton. I'm not really a huge fan of like wearing thongs and stuff like that. It's just not very comfortable for me. And I don't have enough seamless underwear to wear under yoga pants all the time, so I do have some panty lines, but you know, we're just gonna go with it. Let's go on with our workout. Day 5 on our Chloe Ting 2-week shred. Yesterday was a rest day, so I didn't do any workouts, but today I think we have 3 videos that we have to do. I think in a high pony situation. My hair is getting so crazy long. I should be like stretching and warming up before I start, but to be honest, I haven't been. I've just been doing the cool down stretches, so hopefully everything is okay. Oh, Aria.
Mommy, who's like a horse? Okay, I gotta go now.
Aria. No.
1, 2, 3.
Oh no, Aria. It is giving me more of a stretch. That's actually, yeah. Oh, I think you just popped my toe. That felt really nice. Good job doing a downward dog, Ezra.
Yeah.
Yeah. After my workout, I was going to possibly change back into the same clothes, but I decided to do a little rinse off in the shower and just wash my body, and then I didn't really want to wear the same clothes I was wearing, so I did another costume change. So this is one of my favorite, like, loungy bras. It has a really pretty crisscross, but it's very lightweight. I don't usually wear it outside of the house all that much unless my top is really loose, just because there's no padding, so there isn't that extra nip coverage, but it's so comfy. It's so comfy. This tank top, since it has that low scoop back, you get to see that extra detail. As before, these are all pieces from Fabletics, and then I just paired it with these runner shorts. I really like these, especially because they have a built-in biker short underneath, so you can wear it while you're working out, and if you lift lift your legs for any of the workouts. You don't show anything underneath, but you also don't have to worry about panty lines since it's already baggy. But I kind of like wearing this as a little set, and it's really comfy and high-waisted, which I love. As a mom, gotta love that extra coverage. And now I get to treat myself with the lunch that Ben picked up, which is soup dumplings from Din Tai Fung. It's been a while since we had some xiaolong bao, and I am so stoked. When you get them with takeout, you have this ginger, the vinegar in the packets. That makes it very easy. Got my dumplings. There's a couple different flavors, but I pretty much just like the original pork one. I still think that's the best. We had a little break because the kids had nap time, but now they're awake. We're gonna have a little bit of cooking fun.
Yeah!
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 I bought this little set. It's like a pizza cookie decorating kit for Father's Day. Happy Father's Day! And it's so cute. Look at all these little pieces. The pizza-shaped cookies.
We got mushrooms,
Oh,
and we
so
got
cute.
pepperoni, green onions, and olives. And then over here we got the pizza sauce and the cheese.
Oh yeah! There.
I'm making cookies with sauce. I'm making this cheese.
Yeah,
What is this?
that's a pepperoni.
I so wish it.
Yours looks really cute.
Thank you. You want me to
Okay.
make you? You want this one, Ari?
Yeah.
It's a pizza. Do you see it? Isn't that really cute?
Yeah.
Okay, there you go. Be careful with it, okay?
Okay.
You can take a bite.
This is adorable.
Mm-hmm.
What a beautiful cookie pizza.
Yummy.
There's a... Oh, where's Aria? Where's Aria?
Aria, can you hold this cookie like this?
No.
Maybe Oma and Daddy should make one for ourselves.
So pizza cookies? Approved. Everybody approves.
This is a cheese pizza.
Basic.
This is an ugly pizza. Look how cute it is.
We're gonna take a picture, okay? Let's take a picture. Ezra, picture cheese.
So we decided to do a trip over to our house. It does exist here. We planted some fruit trees. This is a Eureka lemon. It's still pretty little. And then behind me, this is a Washington Navel orange tree. When it grows up, we'll be able to hopefully pick it from the balcony. That's the dream. And then this right here is our persimmon tree that we took from our old house that we planted when I was pregnant with Aria. So this is actually very, very special to us. This exact tree was replanted at our new house. I just think that's such a neat thing that I could even do that in the first place, because the tree was still like fairly small enough that we could move it. There were some little fruits growing on it, but I think they might be a little shrivelly right now. Oh my gosh, look at this. There's a little baby persimmon. Maybe we will get some fruits this year. That would be so neat. It had to be uprooted just like us. So whatever struggles it's going through, I feel it. Over here is the backyard that we completely re-landscaped, and this is like the first time Ben showed me a picture of this, I started to sob because
Super hard. Super sob.
super sob. I sobbed hard because so many things with the renovation, we've just been hearing no all the time, and we haven't been able to do things because we were waiting on the second half of getting all of our permits approved, but that whole process got stalled because the city shut down because of coronavirus. So we've kind of just been posted up in an Airbnb just waiting for permits to get ready so that we can even start on the renovation. So that's the really sad thing, is we really haven't even started on anything major inside. We bought the house half a year ago. The one good thing is we could move forward with our landscaping, and here it is.
You should have seen the way that you bloom. I think I saw your face in the moon. I promise.
So right here we planted some hydrangeas. These are all some, I think they're called podocarpus. So that'll sort of become a nice little wall of greenery. We have a hot tub. It was always here, but you couldn't really see it very well with the jungle going on. I love that they put in some soft rocks, so even if you're not wearing shoes, you can still walk up there with bare feet. We installed all of this grass. I don't know what that dead patch is right there, but it is hot summer. We put in a whole wall of roses right here. It's so neat to see them all in bloom. It's just so pretty to see all of them on that wall. And then up here, I asked our landscapers to put in a couple of planter boxes because I wanted to start a little veggie garden. But honestly, I've never done any gardening before, so if you guys have recommendations on what would be good starter plants for a newbie, that would be amazing. We have the drip irrigation line already put in there to make it a little easier to water them and everything. They're just ready and waiting. Hopefully we can do that really, really soon. I've been starting to do some research. I'm thinking tomatoes and cucumbers. Right, Ezra? Yeah. He likes touching the rocks. They're nice and soft. But here you can get a nice look on the opposite end. Got an olive tree there. Another olive tree that's a little bit taller on that side. I'm so excited for when we can actually enjoy this. We had the house repainted to white, which I love. And I also had them paint this wall, even though technically we didn't have to because this is like the house exterior itself. But what I dream of is to have an outdoor projector so that we can have movie nights out here. One of the things that we've had to end up doing that we weren't anticipating when we first decided to stay in an Airbnb, supposedly for 1 month, how naive, is we only packed clothes enough for 30 days in the Airbnb, thinking, oh, you know, we'll just do a capsule wardrobe, it won't be a big deal. Now we're in summertime, so a lot of the clothes we packed back then were winter clothes, and we're having to grab kids' clothes now that are summer clothes, plus also sort of weed through a lot of the stuff that they've grown out of, because they've literally grown so much during this whole quarantine period and during this whole displaced period for our family. So one of the things that I'm going to be doing today is going through this suitcase. This will be Aria's room, and I'm going to grab some shorts for her.
Wow!
Hi Aria, are you excited for this to be your room?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's going to be really cute, I promise. Let's lay it down, okay?
Wow.
You can grab some clothes for Aria.
Mom, be careful with this.
Oh, okay. It's really hot because I don't have the air conditioner going on right now. Man, 2 to 3 years? Yeah, I don't think that's gonna fit you anymore. Aria, do you think you can still fit this?
No.
We'll see. Aria, look how cute this is.
Wow, this is Aria's skirt?
Yeah, it's Aria's skirt. It's really pretty.
Cross my heart and hope to die.
So we just got back from the house. I did a slight outfit change. I just added some jeans. I did forget to mention for Fabletics, I will leave a link down below if you guys want to check them out. If you sign up for VIP, then you get 2 bottoms for $24, and that includes shorts, leggings, whatever it is, free shipping, and 50% off of everything on your first order. So I will give you all the info down below. For dinner, we just kind of picked up Korean food because originally we wanted some sushi, but we could not get it delivered. It was super busy. It is a holiday, so it kind of sucks that it's like overlapping our anniversary with Father's Day. But it's okay because I really love seolleongtang and the kids eat it super well. So we're just gonna eat some of our dinner, and I guess that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed following along with our hybrid holiday day in my life weekend day. So I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and hit the like button if you want to see me do more vlogs. I love you, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye. Mwah.
When I go to sleep at